I've always had this fascination with space, and in high school I actually wanted to be an astrophysicist. It's a lot of money and a lot of school, and I was like, I just want to get started in my career so I can actually get somewhere that I want to go. I decided on being a welder. It actually mingled well with what I wanted to do. And if you can't design it, why not build it? And I was like, which technical college has the best welding department I could find? And Lanier Tech was the one that I chose.
My first impressions of Megan were that, she had a lot of potential, being a good student or being a good welder.
Mark was my mentor at Lanier, and he's a very good teacher. He's very patient with people who don't quite understand what they're doing, because I had no clue about welding before I just jumped into it.
I got into teaching not knowing that I even like it, and I ended up loving it, because taking a student, man or female, from never ever striking an arc in their life, we take it above and beyond. Every weld you make is a test.
I think Lanier set me up for success by showing me that I don't just have to use my brain, but I can use my hands to do something that I want to do.
She was the ideal student, always burning and turning, always in her booth, just working away. That's what I enjoy the most, is seeing that develop and happen in front of my eyes.
When I first walked in the doors of MedCam, the people were really welcoming, and it's a really fun environment.
MedCam is a sheet metal fabrication company. My first impression of Megan was hard work ethic, and she was very driven, and she was able to knock it out of the park, and all the jobs I put on her welds looked very pretty and very nice.
A lot of the situations that happened at Lanier are happening here, so it's really helped me find the solution to a problem that I need to fix.
Lanier Tech really prepares their students very well to come in here. All the women I've seen come in here have been really good welders, really good, and their quality is just crazy good.
They do a lot of TIG welding here. So I'd only been trained on TIG welding for a month at school. And then I jumped in over here, and now I'm pretty good at it, I'd say.
And there's times when she can show me things, so I've actually had a chance to learn a lot from her.
I really want to do planes or roller coaster building. I think that would be really fun. I'm a very small person, so a lot of people always want to pick things up for me. They're like, oh, you're just so small. And I'm like, I can pick it up, I promise.
Megan is one of the hardest workers I have. I could see the confidence in her to step in when she's needed, and I really respect that.
Whenever I told someone that I was a welder, they would always go, why would you do that? It's always a question of why and not how are you doing?
Women have better hand-eye coordination and better paying attention to detail, and that's a fact.
I think a lot of people have broken barriers before me, but there's still a lot to be broken. My dad was like, my daughter's a welder. He thinks it's pretty cool. I'm just gonna do my job, and I'm gonna do my best that I can. My name's Megan Delgado. I'm a welder, and I got my degree at Lanier Technical College.